And now I would like to tell you how to run the machine, how to operate the machine, the basic conception about these machines. First, of course, you have to connect electricity. Our machine is 320 volt and single phase power, so this is very important. Yeah. So now you have to switch on the power and press start, and you can see the monitor. Yeah. And you just press any key. Press any key and you can go to the main screen. This is the main screen. You can find the 14 items on it. And I would like to tell you and introduce to you each one by each one. And now the first one is the control. The first one is the control. And the control system is to tell you how to program the file. And you can see, okay, from the first, this is a file name, okay, 600123, and this is row 1 and the row 2, row 1, row 2. Row 1 is from left side to right side, and row 2 is from right side to left side. And you can see the row 1, and in row 1, this is from control first, the front needle bed, this is the back needle bed, okay. And you can see the carrier number 3 and carrier number 3. CLR means the young carrier number. You can choose from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 to 6. And then this need means the cam system control. And the number 8 means high bar, low bar need. And regarding the detail of the number, you have to check the operation manual. And this is a stitch number, okay. Stitch is control the tension of the production, and this is the speed. This speed 2 now, and normally we can run speed 3 and speed 4. It depends on the young quality. Tape down, TD means tape down. Tape down is control the roller, the tape down system. The raking, this is a raking system. Okay, this is the basic conception. Actually, program on this machine is very easy because this is the main control panel. And you can see the next one is the width. In width, you can find the file number, set counter. You can choose yes or no. Yeah, and the time, how many times the machine will be 0. Yeah. Width, the working width. For example, we are setting the working width as from 107 to 420 needles. And this is a young carrier. You can change the young carrier here. And this is speed. Okay, speed, you can adjust. Auto speed adjust, choose yes. Low speed, choose no. If you choose yes, the machine will always run at low speed. And the take down speed. Number 5, the machine carriage speed. Number 2. You can adjust, you can change the speed here. You also can change the speed in control system. This is the speed. Take down speed, carriage speed. This is the young carrier adjust. You can see, because this machine we don't use any young carrier stopper here, so you have to control the young carrier position here. This is the left side young carrier. This is the right side young carrier. The position, the location. Yeah. This tuning. You see the tuning? Actually, we will always setting the parameter of the tuning, the stitch tuning parameter before we deliver the machines. So actually, you don't have to change the stitch tuning parameter here. If you want to control the stitch, the tension of the production, you just have to control to adjust from here, the stitch here. Yeah. It means the tuning number here will be fixed. Please don't change it. Otherwise, you understand the machine very well. And this is hand operation test. Hand operation test. Hand operation test. You can test each part. For example, the young carrier solenoid, or the cam solenoid, or the raking motor before you run the machines. And this is fire. This is a fire. You can see the fire in each machine. You can memorize 16 fire in each machines. You see, for example, now we are using the number 1 fire. You just choose the number and choose. You want to save it or read it. You want to save it or read it, and then after choose it, you just have to press F4. This is a photocopy. You also can choose the memory card here and a copy from the memory card to controller, or controller to the memory card. This is drive. Drive means you can, when the machine running, you can see the machine running situation here. For example, let me show you. Yeah, with this machine running, you can see the running data here. This operation manual. This is braking, yes. Braking weight, yes. LED auto light, the lights, auto off, no. Language, we have Chinese and English now. Yeah, alarm signal. When the trouble happening, alarm will continue about 10 seconds. This is the machine message. This is 14 gauge. 40 inches, and this is the J model semi-jacquard assistant set. This is no use, no use for the user. This is our duty. Error message. If any problem happen, you will see the error message here. And I would like to tell you, when you set every file here, yeah, for example, this is number 18, row 18 is the last row of the program. But you have to remember one thing. You have to, you see? It means not finished. This program not finished. You have to press F4 until this line happen, and it means it's really finished. And then you have to go to do another step. Go to number 2, width, and press 2 times to memorize your change. Okay, this is the basic operation of the machine. It's very easy.